Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 98 of Build, the 1967 Ford Mustang Eleanor from the movie Gone in 60 Seconds. Brought to you by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to build one of these large-scale 1/8 scale models along with me, you know you want to, head over to Fanhome's website by following the link. There's a clickable link below in the description. And you too can have one of these on your bench and be building along with me. Now in kit 98, we are going to be putting in the left-hand side tail lights. So we got the lenses, we got the lens cover going inside the boot, and we've then got the LEDs with the wire and the clip on the end of it going in, ready to be run along inside the car. So you're going to need your body shell that we was working on last time when we put on the rear panel and the trunk lid. It's nice and simple. Slide the LED PCB over the posts, and then we're putting in the cover on top of that. I'm putting in a couple of PS5 screws, and then that's what we're going to look like at the end when we've done our completed stage. Okay, folks? So let's grab our bits and bobs, get our body shell on the bench, and we'll start a bit of assembly. So that's what we get this month. We get the 3 LEDs there, or 4 LEDs, should I say, on a PCB, like so. Cable number 9, so that'll get routed inside the car. We then got our light panel, and then we got the cover that's going inside the boot, okay? So I've got one of the screws already there with the oil on it. So we'll lay our cloth down, we'll bring our body shell in, and we'll start doing a bit of assembly. So let's line this up neatly so that you can see what I'm doing today. So we're going to be bringing in the light cluster. That's going to come in over there like so. Then the LED panel is going to go in there like that, okay? And then we're going to be fixing that in place with the screws, okay? So just rest that in. We'll grab our cover. Got a notch in it, so I'm not sure what the notch is for. Yes, that way. Oh yes, for that screw head. That's what that is. So it's going to sit on there like that. And then we're going to put the screw in. Let's grab the screw. Try and grip that all with your hand. Ready. We got there in the end. Now grab the second one. Like so. Bear in mind you are going into plastic. You don't want to over tighten them. Like that. So that's that in. We can now turn Eleanor, and then what will happen is this wire is going to go along this groove. Okay. I'm going to preempt joining it by grabbing myself some tape, like so. And we'll come around that post, tuck that cable in there, like that, and drop a bit of tape in there. Just like so. Let that sit there, like that. And hopefully then, when the rest of this interior goes in, it'll conceal this tape. That's what I'm hoping for. Like that. Grab another bit of tape coat and we'll go in there. Just like so. Pop another piece off. Like that is what we want. Press that in with a Q-tip. And that'll be, that will press into place like so. And then this will then be able to come out and go along the model quite happily. There you go. So folks, that's what we're left with today. We've got our rear light cluster in, as you could see. So don't forget folks, if you want to grab one of these and build one of these beautiful, beautiful Eleanors along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link below in the description. You too can have one of these on your bench. Don't forget to help me out. If you can just give little Fester a click and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me grow my channel. I really do appreciate it, folks. Also, whilst you're there, give the bell a ring and select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming content. In the meantime, thanks so much for coming in and keeping me company. Stay safe and well. Bye-bye for now.